Okay, take two. We lost like, huh?
You're blinking too.
Oh no, that means it's recording. It's recording.
It was earlier.
Yeah, it was recording, and as soon as I turned it off, it went error, error. Yeah, we lost like, oh, 15 minutes, 10 minutes of video footage of us cutting, of showing everything, what to do and whatnot. I guess we'll come back to the second piston, but yeah, that's piston one that we're started on. Those are the cutters. They've been modified. I'll explain it later, like at the end of the video or whatever. But we're gonna, yeah, so we had a mishap. They're screwed on and one of them came unscrewed. Anyway, we're gonna try this again. Let's take two on that.
Take two.
Oh, here. Whatever. Just enough.
Front snug down.
Just snug. That's all we wanted.
And see, it's already tight.
Oh, yeah.
Let's make sure this is in the hole.
Oh, you gonna do it like that?
No, I'm checking to make sure we're lined up.
Oh yeah,
now it
should be lined up. That wouldn't have went in if that wouldn't have went in if you weren't lined up.
This one's starting. So once I start cutting, I'll get it to cut, then stop, tighten that one down.
Yeah.
And let it run.
Yeah. First we gotta.
So we need that way.
Yeah. It's yeah.
I'm gonna vacuum.
Okay. Hey, you might need to loosen it up first. Just a little bit. Just enough to get it started. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm going to tighten it up now. Okay. Okay. You cutting? You feel like it's cutting?
Yeah, I'm getting metal.
Okay. Hopefully we get this stuff. Watch the motor on this thing, make sure it don't overheat. Hey, watch the motor on this, make sure it don't overheat. Yeah, you're like a medium pace. Yeah, press down on it a little bit, not a whole lot, but you know. Sure? I thought you said it did.
Watch it. See? The guy's on his own.
Oh, well, alright, then. Turn that off real quick. Another battery.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. I forgot about that. They can stop whenever. Take it off and see what we got. Yeah, it's.
Oh my God.
Watch it. Yeah, it's that warm.
It's hot as hell.
Okay, let it cool down. I'll take a small break here after we get it off. You have to get the other.
It's real. It's dead.
What? That is that gonna? Just enough. Just enough. Yeah, I did all that side when because Paul had to do something else, and I got my nephew. Me and my nephew were doing it.
At that time, I was working. Well,
Yeah.
I worked nights. So.
Yeah, he works nights. But yeah, look at that, nice and what's this look like? Wash for wear. Actually, we didn't get as much like when I did it. Even with the vacuum stuff, we never got. It still was full of stuff, but yeah. I'm going to pull the tape off. Yeah, look at that, nice.
Because most of it dropped off the exhaust port.
Oh, last time it was full. Like even with our vacuum cleaner, it was still full.
I left this open.
Maybe that's wrong. I don't know. But whatever. Yeah, that's cutting it. We'll come back to this after we get this, do the second one, and then we'll show you how to kind of set it up. Because our footage from the first of that disappeared. Hopefully this doesn't disappear. So yeah, we're gonna let the thing cool off. We're gonna let the drill cool off, and then we'll come back to this. So here after a while, get back to this here in a minute. Okay, back at it again. All right, this is the procedure. How you do this. Yeah, make sure you don't get that in your eyes, but yeah.
If you swallow it, it'll be okay.
Yeah, clean it off real good. Boy, that's on there thick, and
yeah,
we gotta kind of get it off, because that way the tape will stick to it. Dang. Wonder why it came off easily on the other stuff with this.
Well, that one I hit with a wire wheel.
Did you?
Yeah. They wouldn't wipe off, so I was like, well.
Oh, because I did that with the other piston, and it came right off.
Yeah.
Like
this side might be burning off.
Could be. You never know. Let's see if it's gonna. See if we need to get out the wire wheel or not. Is it gonna stick to it?
Yep.
Okay, as long as it sticks to it. All right. Yeah, that's step 2. Step 1, clean it off. Step 2, tape. And
Step 3,
layer it.
put out lesson.
Oh my God! Shut up. I thought he was gonna put it through center.
Then you cover up part of the port.
Oh yeah, that way you can.
The vacuum will pull a complete suction on the hole.
Most of the section, not complete, but definitely.
Well, at least until you cut one. Once you cut one, the other one can stay open.
Yeah. Sure.
It'll let it vent, so it'll just vacuum will pull it through.
No,
I'm just gonna suck it down to the head, just like that.
Okay.
We'll start with the problem child.
Oh, you're gonna start with the.
That's the only thing I don't like. It wants to rot.
Yeah, I know, because it's on the piston. Like as soon as we get them cut, as soon as you start cutting, it should sunk down. Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold this vacuum cleaner. Oh Jesus! That was a thing. Nope. That came off. Oh, what the hell? Did you do that on purpose?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. As long as you did it on purpose. happened?
It's slipping on the grill.
Oh. Yeah, it does that sometimes. That's how he messed it up. That's how he messed up the edge of that, because it kept slipping. That's that lithium one. Alright. We'll come back to this when we get a new battery. We gotta look for some more batteries. So yeah. Ready? What was it? When you
want all the blow by.
No, it's when you want all the when you want all the
Oh, that just shows that thing just getting broke in good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you need that ring gap though.
Well, that way, the more you rev it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there's that more power.
Exactly. All right, we are done. We're gonna make this quick. We got 40 seconds to do an outro or whatever. There they are. They're all done. All 8 pistons are done. We're gonna have to what do you call it?
Take them
round them off, and because yeah, those are stress risers and that can cause detonation. But anyway, next time try to port some heads and do some other things. Anyway, it's Fat Man Fast signing out.